Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back for another day of video excitement. Today we've got Robert Tangway. He's an auditor, a crazy guy, kind of a soft-sit quantum grammar guy that takes a traffic ticket all the way to as high as he can take it, takes it to court, tries to fight it, just so he can bring in his family court situation where he has a restraining order against him and his kids were taken away from him. It's the strangest, most bizarre thing I've ever seen. It's a little dry at first, so I'm going to speed through the beginning of it, and we'll get right to the meat and potatoes. Alright, you can probably tell the big guy here walking up to the witness box is the parking ticket guy, the guy that gives out parking ticket. The judge is just going to ask him some questions, swear him in. The prosecutor's going to come up and ask the guy a bunch of questions about, did he put the money in the meter and yada, 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 and no, he didn't. Anyway, we're going to skip through that whole part and probably cut it out because it's all pretty dry and boring. But we want to get to the cross-examination here by Mr. Tangway over a $10 parking ticket.
Windshield wiper of the car, not a windshield wiper.
And then, next thing you know, after you've issued that, we've asked you to come here to court today, correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Beninato. No further questions, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions on cross-examination, Mr. Tangway?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Alright, keep in mind, he's in court fighting a $10 parking ticket. He doesn't want to pay the ticket. But just listen to how he kind of goes from the parking ticket into his family court case. It's quite weird.
Good afternoon, Mr. Beninato. So you testified earlier that the infraction happened on August 11th. Is that not true?
Yeah. Oh no, that was the first one, August.
11th. You testified that today, right here. And then Mr. Attorney Blanchard kind of led you into testifying on that happened in November 9th, right?
That was the second thing, yes.
Yeah. And so, did you see the exhibit with the picture that Attorney Blanchard showed you?
Have I seen them? Yes.
Yes. And in that picture, if the court may look at the picture and maybe perhaps hand it to Mr. Blanchard, can you clearly see the dash?
Not in these two pictures, no.
Right. Why can you not clearly see the dash?
Because in these two pictures, the dashboard was not, the entire dashboard was not taken.
Oh, no, meaning like you're seeing the window, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And could you see what's on the dash where a ticket would be normally put?
From this picture, no.
Okay. And why is that?
Because the picture of the plate, front plate.
There's a picture of a window where a ticket would
Yes.
be. Okay. And so why can you not see the dash through the window? Or can you?
Why can I not see it?
Would you describe, allow me to rephrase, would you describe the view of the dash covered by the reflection of the sun on the picture?
This is really stupid and boring, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit more. He wasn't taking a picture of the dashboard, he was taking a picture of the plates. That's what the pictures are.
Are you aware that all 3 meters on Lowell Street are not working
Today?
today? At 12:30 today. Are you aware of that?
No, I just told you today, that's not my route today.
Okay. They're not working. I called into the parking place. So with that being said, I have no further questions for Mr. Benedano. I would like to proceed to legal argument.
And that's the part I want you guys to listen to. The legal arguments he is presenting for this $10 traffic ticket. It's quite bizarre. This guy is obviously obsessed with his family situation. I can understand why he might have a restraining order against him and his kids are not in his custody.
Okay. Well, let me see if there's any redirect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, I guess I'll hand this. Thanks, sir.
Do you need anything?
Attorney Blanchard, do you want Mr. Beninato to stay, or?
I would ask that he, if no one needs him further, that he be excused to return to his either official duties or personal activities.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. That state's case?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Mr. Tangway, did you want to present any evidence, or were you saying you wanted to make an argument? I wasn't sure.
Yes, Your Honor. I've already given to Attorney Blanchard a packet, which I'd like to walk the court through. My defense rests upon the
So you
state.
submitting this into evidence?
Yes, and also to take judicial notice of the issues that are going through the Manchester Family Court, which are the
That
reason.
has nothing to do with the parking citation, sir.
Your Honor, respectfully, it does, and through and as a judge of the court, you are required to take all complaints of judicial misconduct, which is fraud, and it isn't with my defense. My defense is that the city of Manchester, by not reporting my children being removed from state RSA 633:4, and then failure to report, arrest, or investigate the fraud that is going through the family courts, is human trafficking and also a violation of Article 3. Article 3 of the New Hampshire Constitution, society and its purposes. I surrender such for the common good and without reciprocal.
Now, I don't know why, but this judge let this diatribe go on for 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to shoot ahead to the end to find out the results of all of the Jabberwocky nonsense that this guy's spitting out.
The nature of the testimony that has been submitted today through find to be a credible witness who has a particular methodology in how he handled that. I'm going to enter a finding of guilty. What is the uniform fine for this, Attorney Manager?
The city ordinance, Your Honor, under 70:78 indicates the basic penalty as reflected on the ticket. I believe that's in the court file is a $10 ticket, no further penalty assessment. And I believe that Mr. Tangway posted the $10 bail to be here today. So we're asking the standard.
So there's no penalty assessment, it's just $10?
Correct. No penalty assessment on parking tickets.
And that's it. Found guilty, got to pay a $10 fine, no assessment, no court cost, no nothing. Just a $10 parking ticket. He wasted about 45 minutes, an hour today, to go and complain about his obsession with his ex-wife and all that stuff. It's crazy. Anyway, let's find something else. That was boring, I know, but I thought it was just bizarre. Anyways, speaking of court hearings, doesn't Chile have another district court hearing for another incident there in Nevada, Las Vegas, Nevada? Let's take a quick look at that incident that he's going to court for here pretty quick. He's gone behind the tape of this is a hit and run where somebody, I think it was a fatality. He's inside the crime scene now, going right up to the cops. What a frickin' moron.
Can we help you, sir? Can we help you? You could just do your job, mind your own business. That's what you could do. Excuse me? I told you, I'd say it again, you could mind your own business. I'm doing my job. I appreciate your time. But just, if I was you, I'd just shut your mouth so I don't put you in your place. That's what I'd do if I was you. I'd shut up. You have a right to tell me what to do. Just leave me alone. Okay, I can leave, but you don't have to walk up on me.
Let's go, sir.
So what's the emergency? Is there an emergency?
Somebody's dead, sir. Is that enough emergency
well,
for
where
you?
are they at?
Let's go.
I believe this is a hit and run accident where somebody passed away. They're at the crime scene now, and Chili wants to act like this. He wants to know where they are. What a frickin' moron.
Where are they at? Where are they at? Are they right here?
Let's go, sir. Let's go, sir.
Now they're pushing me. Look at their hands all over me.
Let's go,
Look at
sir.
that. Look at that.
You're right.
All,
We're escorting you.
don't
sir.
f***ing touch me, boys.
Let's go.
Don't.
Let's go.
What are you doing?
Nod your head. Nod your head.
I just hate pigs.
Oh my, that was hilarious, wasn't it? What a complete moron this guy is. And people support him. The mentally ill support Chili. That's got to be the only reason. People just throw money at him like he's some kind of a guru or something. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, folks. Hope you enjoyed. Love y'all. Bye.